As of 2010, the genome had been sequenced for only 2 birds, the chicken and the zebra finch. As of 2022, the genomes of 542 species of birds had been completed. At least one genome has been sequenced from every order. These include at least one species in about 90% of extant avian families. 218 out of 236 families recognized by the Howard and Moore checklist. Being able to sequence and compare whole genomes gives researchers many types of information about genes, the DNA that regulates the genes, and their evolutionary history. This has led to reconsideration of some of the classifications that were based solely on the identification of protein-coding genes. Waterbirds such as pelicans and flamingos, for example, may have in common specific adaptations suited to their environment that were developed independently.